Yeah, say game is over? Yeah, for the enemy team. What? So it doesn't matter if my ball lane feeds, because I'm playing Nunu. And they're playing Jen of in, so their champs are still useful if they're inting, you know? Oh, then. Why the fuck is this guy split? He should kill everyone here, right? Wow, actually we lost that. Wow. I guess our ace is useless. Oh, you guys are right, this game is over. What the fuck? What are you doing? You're just farming to fucking nothing. Holy, she's actually so... He just gave them Baron for no reason, just to get a wave. Nice player. We're gonna win this game inevitably, most likely, but I don't know why the fuck this guy's griefing us. He wants to, like, get an invite to TSM or some shit? I have 200 CS in a 20-minute game. I'm so fucking talented. What a dog shit player. Actually dog shit. Selfish, trash. He's like, I'm autofill top lane, but I can't group though. We got Nunu and Double Infernal. What a dog shit fucking human. What is he? D3, 400 games. Yikes, nice stats, dude. He's actually like the worst fucking player I've ever seen in my life. Look at these stats. D3, 400 games. Makes sense. Good grief, dude. Tarzan, I'm sorry, I don't play top. Mental illness right there. That's what I call it. I don't understand this kid though. Like, why is he trying so hard to like try to get onto a team? I have 200 CS at 20 minutes. LFT, by the way. The cast might solo carry. I might lose the game with 3 Infernals. Wow. 3 Infernals. Damn, I needed 20 gold, dude. I know you're like taking all the gold, but at least give me like 1 cannon, please. I don't really understand this guy's thought process. He's taking everything on the map and not grouping. What a fucking loser. Skewed, same thing. Thank you for the Twitch Prime sub, buddy. Much love. Same links in chat. Appreciate the support, buddy. Constant rage? Where's the rage? I'm telling Fiora to group for Baron and he goes bottom and they do Baron and they're all super low and he leaves and goes bottom again. So he's a dog shit player. He's selfish, he's garbage at the game, and he's never gonna climb. I can't get in there. Does my backline do any fucking damage or what's happening here? What is my team doing? Why is everyone full health except for me? I'm confused. Oh, here comes the god himself. We're gonna lose this, aren't we? It's over. Wow. I tanked all their damage and we barely killed them all. That's very promising. Good thing I shat on their jungler and had him build 1 item the entire game, or we lost this one. Learned a lot. Fiora finally left his lane. Actually, I was top 40 last year and I got 2 week ban and DK'd, so you have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. Another Reddit normie, or neckbeard, sorry, not normie. You're fucking virgin, of course. My account last season was 750 LP, 150 games, 72% win rate, aka top 40. It's pretty close to rank 1, because I would have had rank 1 because of how broken Ezreal was, but the issue is, when you get banned because Riot hates you, it's out of your control. Oh shit, I was tabbed. So I'm gonna like spam ping the Baron, and I guarantee you Fiora is not gonna be there again. If only we secure the third Infernal, but you know, some people just team players. Wow. See how hard it was to do Baron Fiora? You just have to bring your fucking virgin body in the pit, and we had it. We could have done that 5 minutes ago, and the game would have been over by now, but you're dumb and selfish.
Or
I am tanking for days. What? What is Fiora doing? These fucking two are like, this guy's a KDA player. This guy's retarded. I don't know. It's actually weird. I can probably lose this game, as funny as it sounds, losing to this guy because of these two. Tragic. I don't know what the fuck they're doing, honestly. If you play, you'll understand that. Just redemption, nothing. I probably won the game off that. What, he had flash? Yes, I'm the best. Why this Fiora has autism? It's beyond me. It's pretty attractive. Again, I have autism too. I don't play like that. I've never seen a player this selfish in my life, honestly. Like, I'm ready to give blue buffs and red buffs, but with the way this Fiora play, I've never seen anyone this selfish in my life. Kind of annoying. Why is Fiora just fucking... Ugh. Jesus Christ. I don't want to play this guy ever again. That was a very bad